Hey guys, Chris from Versus 3D down here at 3D Printing Canada, and I have a really great announcement that they have asked me to share. You will see that I am holding these really boring envelopes in my hand. Ask me why? I heard you. Anyway, we're introducing this really great thing called low-cost shipping for small parts. One thing about Canada that everyone knows, shipping costs a fortune. So if you're ordering small parts, some nozzles, some Bowden tubing, whatever we happen to have, they can go in these envelopes. Shipping anywhere in Canada can be as low as $3. That's right, I said $3. So check out 3D Printing Canada's website. It's www.3dprintingcanada.com. Tough to remember, I know. You can see they have a actually pretty extensive parts section right here, starting at $3. So don't forget, like, subscribe, click the bell. You know what to do. Have a good one.